He's starstruck, and the dude's legit. He knows his stuff. Crazy. Wow. Yeah, that's about as cool as it gets. Well, today is a real treat. We are here with Mark Stielow, and this is his '69 Camaro that I can't wait to learn more about. This is obviously a fantastic car. Love to hear what you did to it.
Yeah, well, this is a California black plate car we purchased about 3 years ago, and we tore it all the way down. You know, but it was nice. It was a rust-free California black plate car. So went through, put all Detroit speed, chassis front and rear, and then the engine is a modified Corvette LT5. So the 2019 Corvette LT5 engine. Winters are long and hard in Michigan, so we had to supersize it. So we took it to Katech, took it all apart, CNC-ported the heads, changed the cam, up the boost, so it's making about 915 horse, a little over 850 foot-pounds of torque. So it's fairly stout.
Yeah, it seems like it would be. and tell me a little bit, you're obviously no stranger to Camaros.
Yeah.
So tell me a little bit about some of the cars you've built before.
So, I mean, this is my 17th first-gen Camaro, if you count 67s and 69s. So I had a few in college, and then magazine quality ones. This is probably like my 10th one or so, something like that. So just been kind of refining them, building them over the years. So my first 69 Camaro that was in the magazines was 1993. It was a Hot Rod Top 10 car, then a Carcraft Real Street Eliminator winter car.
Yeah, nice. So you've obviously dabbled with all the modern engines in some of these old cars. What is your favorite engine combination that you put in a Gen 1 Camaro?
Well, we really refined the LS9 engine. We did that, the car's not here right now, but we went through and we built some 7-liter LS9s and ran them on E85, and they would make like 950 horsepower. Just really rock solid, reliable, like 900 plus foot-pounds of torque. Those things were awesome. So on the LT platform, the blower is actually a better blower, and intercooler bricks are better. So the blower package is better. And I think if we put some time and some refinement, having the DI injection and the PFI injection on the LT5, I think we can come up with a better, more refined power than what the LS9 was. So like our first crack, we were over 900 horsepower. And I think there's still some room to go once we kind of figure out the E85 portion of it.
Yeah, wow, incredible. So tell me this, because a lot of people who are building some of these cars that throw a modern LS engine, a lot of people opt for turbo versus a supercharger. You're obviously kind of a supercharger guy, and that's the way GM has gone.
Right.
What are your thoughts about the big advantages of supercharged versus turbocharged?
If you want to make ultimate power, the turbos make more power, but like for an integrated package that just like is more turnkey to a certain degree, the blowers are like, I kind of say they're like a big DC motor. You like push the gas pedal down, that's how much torque you want to make, that's how much torque it makes. There's no lag, there's no whatever, it's just right there.
Yeah.
I'm a big fan of the blower motors.
Yeah, I can see that. I'm a big fan of this car.
Oh, thanks.
Awesome. Yeah. Perfect. Well, thanks so much, Mark. Great to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you.
Thanks for your time.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Thanks, Mark. Thank you.
Appreciate it.
No problem.
Yeah.